Yo, what's going on? I just wanted to get on here real quick and run through Casa's Wick 3 because it did super duper good last week. Extraordinary week. It's presentable and applicable almost every single day. Damn near every single day to be honest. But it just did really really good last week. I can't wait for September's price action because August price action is never the best. However, Casa's Wick 3 did insanely good last week. All of August actually it's been cooking it up, but yeah, let's just get right into it. I'm just going to go over all my trades that I sent to the Discord and show your trades. And I'm going to be running through the trade that I caught on Friday per request. But right here, let's answer this person's question real quick. So first, I look for any higher time frame daily order block. Then I go to the H. Right here is your mistake. Your 1 day to your H4. These are not correlated time frames. One of the biggest things that Casa's Wick theory is your correlated time frames. Those are given to the students specifically. And let's see this right here. That does look like Casa's Wick theory. But again, these time frames, they're just all over the place. So there's going to be a lot of noise. You could still 100% be profitable with not the exact correlated time frames that I use. It's just going to be susceptible to what? Lower probability setups and setups just not holding. And then you're just going to be questioning, yo, why is my win rate not as high as Casa's? XXXX, and that's why. But where are my trades? Okay. This was clean as well. This was student again. It's always awesome to see the students just like going crazy. But right here, this was not even a student, by the way. Like these guys are just using Casa's Wick theory, crazy RR. Can't even make that up. It's a shredded take profit. And here's my trade. Per request, somebody said, can you explain this a little more? Of course, bro. So higher time frame, we had what? Higher time frame, we had a PD array that we tapped into. You go down to the correlated time frame, super duper simple. What does this look like right here? All of these sweet lows, like smooth lows. What? Sell side liquidity, right? We had a huge gap in price. Does it make sense for this gap to hold? For this context, no. Why is it? Because this is supporting the reversal right here. And we trade into the discount of the wick. This is how you actually catch the exact highs and lows. If you were to enter off of EQ or equilibrium, or consequent encroachment per wick, this is exactly how you do it. But most times than not, it won't give that pure meticulous like good discount entry. So I always get in at what? At the 1 with stops at the 0. And that's what I did here. Boom, should have take profit. Can't make that up. Dude, look at this dude's RRs. Crazy. If I said that Casa, bro, your shot got me from seeing red to swimming in green. Thank you, bro. Of course. Dude, your trades are crazy. Keep it up. I love to see people just winning in general, like, honestly. Because the model is applicable, like, it works for everybody. It's insane. And another one of my trades right here. I actually missed the original Casa's Wick 3 on the lows. But again, if you guys want to see anything that's going to be susceptible to your success as a day trader, it's not FOMO, but it's pyramiding positions. They're super duper, they're like opposites almost, but they're very similar because a lot of people, they can mistake pyramided like entries for FOMO. They're just getting in at random points in time. Like it's all emotional. That's what I'm trying to say. It's all psychological. So when it comes to FOMO, if you're missing out, you're getting in and out because of what? Emotional distress, versus whenever you're pyramiding positions, you're getting in at points where price should be in continual favor of where you want price to go. But right here, what do we have? We have this huge rejection block right here supporting it, and then we have the CSID, this little block. And yeah, so I just got in off of this wick because every single wick is a gap, and then I got in on this wick again right here. Boom, should have take profit. This is super duper clean again. Like, I'm not catching Casa's Wick theory every single day, right? And I am Casa, which is crazy. But I'm still using it to be in conjunctional, like, favor to what my bias is. If I see us coming off of a Casa's Wick theory, I'll pyramid my positions. Like, ideally, I would have gotten in here at this wick and then gotten in again where I actually got in. But yeah, it was right here. This was Casa's Wick theory. And then this was just the fair value gap entry, but again, these are just people in the Discord. They're just cooking it up. Awesome, bro. Love to see. Super duper simple. SFT at these lows. Every single wick and price again is a gap. CSID entry though with stops at mean threshold. Should a TP? Can't make this up. Boom. This was a pre-market entry, so this was a little messy, but it's just more time distortional pre-market. So you just have to have looser stops. Pretty algorithmic. Got in here, stops at the red line, flew straight to take profit, time and time again. I actually love trading the opening bell, especially whenever you know what price is gonna do pre-opening bell. It's one of the best feelings because it's kind of tedious to just sit down there and have price just be stagnant or not really move anywhere, or just like your P&L moving from green to red or just green and it significantly goes down lower and then back up, versus whenever you just trade like opening bell or pre-news. Like trading pre-news recently has been so much better because it goes, when I tell you like 3 seconds, boom, like straight to take profit. So I've been kind of like pyramiding or building a cushion. Like I'll trade opening bell and then I'll look for setups again during the macro times. But this right here, again, this isn't even me. This is super duper clean. Let's keep it going. Right here, what do we see? Casa's wick theory, entry at the discount at the wick, super duper clean, and time again, it presents itself. What do we sweep? Swept out these lows, discount. This was a specific PD array again. It always has to. I don't know why I started there, but it always has to come off a higher time frame PD array, right? Higher time frame PD array, and the discount, getting on that rejection block, boom, straight to take profit. I don't believe this was the same week. Let's run through. Dude, even the students are cooking. Like, look at this RR. Do you guys see it? Just love to see everybody winning. That's enough yet with the Discord. Let's get into the trade that I took on Friday. Okay, this is actually super duper clean. Yeah, super duper clean. But on the M15, what do we see? Clear measuring gap, lower. So what's likely going to happen? Tomorrow is Labor Day, so I'm not going to be touching the charts. Fortunately, I will be outside. Sell side, this is my objective because we're coming off of this measurement block. There's kind of no reasoning. Sucks we didn't trade into this wick. That would have been beautiful, but there's no reasoning for us to take out these highs. We could possibly trade back into this wick right here, but there's no reasoning for us to go higher than these highs right here. Unless we take out what? The sell side objective. Then that's been met. That I took personally on Friday was this right here. Well, let me ask you guys this actually. A little pop quiz for everybody watching this YouTube video. I want everybody right now. Right. Where's this timing on this? From here to here. From here to here. I want everybody to comment down what this model is. Little pop quiz for you guys. If you guys don't know what model this is just ICT. You guys need to jump to Discord and just do some learning, like genuinely. But super duper algorithmic. I want you guys, whoever's commenting this video, if you guys already know the answer, you guys are like, duh, this is super duper easy. This is super duper easy. Or if you guys are like, yo, what is this? But just comment, what model is this? Like right here, in hindsight. Anyways, let's get right into my entry. Those were in the macro times. Again, it's actually right here on the M1 because I missed this original first, Casa's wick theory. But I waited for the macro time to present itself and I got in right here. A lot of people are going to be like, yo, how'd you know that this SIBI was going to hold? Again, time and price. Your new day opening gaps, your new week opening gaps, those are specific times. Like this open, this close, these are specific times that these gaps are forming, right? There's a 5-day look back period, there's a 5-week look back period for your new day opening gaps, and then your new week opening gaps. We're clearly in the sell program. CSID respected, inversion and we leave this as a breakaway gap. Just super duper bearish, right? And then we create a gap inside of a allotted time, right? And then boom, Casa's Wick theory, time and time again. Like I can't make this up. Entry was right here. I'll plot out the exact trade so it's visually easier to see, but stops at the 1. I forgot my exact take profit, to be honest. Somewhere around these lows. I got out way before this retracement, so forgot the exact point of interest that I got out. POI, but yeah. Check if it's still this sell side right here because we're coming off of a measuring gap. Again, we'll see. I just love to see everybody winning, like genuinely, all the students, the people in the Discord. Like, bro, you guys are actually going crazy. So just continue killing the markets. That's it for Casa. Peace.